Bitcoin plunges below $19,000 ahead of fresh US CPI report. Singapore-based crypto investment startup Pillow raises $18 million. China CBDC transactions reach $14 billion as Uptake slows report. Crypto mining firm BitNile to start Bitcoin-based marketplace next year. Binance exchange burns $547 million worth of BNB tokens. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Cryptocurrency market continued to trade mixed on Thursday ahead of key inflation data due later in the day. Bitcoin has remarkably lagged its famous volatility lately, and how it reacts to the data will be a key test of this trend. Manoj Dhara joins us to explain how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today. Over to you, Manoj.
So, cryptocurrency markets fell more than 4% on higher than expected CPI numbers. So, stock futures fell, erasing earlier gains after a key consumer inflation report came in hotter than expected. Futures for the Dow Jones Industrial Average fell by 1.8%. S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100 futures slumped 2.2% and 2.97% respectively. So, the yield on the 10-year US Treasury spiked above 4% as bonds sold off. Yields are inverse to the prices of the stock markets. The much-awaited US Consumer Price Index rose 8.2% in the year through September versus the market expectations of 8.1%. So investors now worry over higher than expected interest rate hike in December rate setting meet after inflation came in faster than expected, leaving less room for the Fed going forward. So if we talk about Bitcoin, was recently trading at around $18,320, which fell immediately after these numbers, actually down by 4% in the past 24 hours. Ethereum, the second biggest cryptocurrency, traded around $1,209, down 6.55% in the similar time span. All other major altcoins traded lower. Binance BNB was down by 3.92%, was trading at $259.5. Ripple's XRP token was trading at $0.46, down by 5.35%. Cardano's ADA token was down by 7.6% to trade at $0.36. Solana Sol was down 8.54% at $28.37. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 5.21% at $0.056. Polkadot was down by 5.83%, was trading at $5.82. Polygon down by 7.44% at $0.73. So Tron was down by 5.45% at $0.059. Shiba Inu was trading down by 6.5%. Next on the list is Avalanche FX, was trading at $14.83, down by 7.08%. Uniswap was down by 3.96% at $5.82. Litecoin was down by 5.68% at $48.97. Chainlink was down by 7.66%, was trading at $6.58.
Thank you, Manoj, for this in-depth market analysis. And now back to the headlines. Pillow, a Singapore-based crypto investment startup, has raised a $18.1 million Series A, the firm announced via Twitter on Thursday. The Series A was co-led by Axel and Corona Capital with participation from Jump Capital and existing investor Elevation Capital. The digital asset management app, which was co-founded by three Indian origin persons, Arindam Roy, Rajat KM and Karthik Mishra in 2021, with the objective of giving new users an experience without hassles like gas fees, bridging and security. The platform has over 75,000 users with its largest user base in Nigeria. Pillow offers users up to 10.42% returns on their stablecoins, 6.02% returns on Bitcoin, and 6.03% returns on Ether. While it supports 10 digital assets currently, it plans to expand to soon over 50. China's central bank digital currency reached the milestone of 100 billion yuan, equivalent to $13.9 billion worth of transactions amid a slowdown in uptake, according to People's Bank of China data. This year, transaction volume in China's eCNY has increased by 14% from the 87.6 billion yuan worth $12 billion recorded at the end of 2021, which is a big decrease when compared to the 154% growth seen between June and December last year. The PBOC did not provide an update on the number of eCNY wallets opened, which reached 261 million at the end of 2021, the report said. China's eCNY is being rolled out on a trial basis across the country, with 23 cities including Beijing, Shanghai, and Shenzhen now covered, the report said. Bitcoin mining firm BitNile plans to set up a Bitcoin-based marketplace in the first half of next year, aiming to reduce the complexity of transacting in Bitcoin. BitNile intends for the marketplace to be a multi-vendor e-commerce platform available via a mobile or web application that can provide multiple services, including payment processing, according to an announcement on Thursday. The Las Vegas-based firm's aim is to make transacting in Bitcoin more attractive, both by making it convenient and by offering lower transaction fees than in traditional e-commerce. BitNile may also be looking to diversify its business away from Bitcoin mining, given the squeeze the industry has experienced in recent months, with Bitcoin's depressed price combined with high energy costs cutting into mining firms' margins. Crypto exchange platform Binance has concluded its 21st quarterly Binance coin burn, eliminating around $547 million worth of BNB tokens from its supply. In an announcement, Binance said that it had destroyed a total of 265,152 BNB tokens, which is valued at just below $600 million at the time of writing. The exchange also mentioned that an added 4,833.25 BNB was burned through its Pioneer Burn program, a mechanism that helps users who lost their digital assets through honest mistakes. The exchange covers these losses and returns the tokens to users depending on specific conditions. These tokens are then deducted from the total quarterly burn by Binance. Previously, Binance committed to burning 20% of its profits for each quarter. With the latest burn, the exchange could have profited by $2.7 billion during the third quarter of 2022. And now let's go to Manoj to get update on the three buzzing stocks of the day.
Sushi, a governance and staking token behind the decentralized exchange project, has dropped a whopping 10.5% on Thursday. SushiSwap is a decentralized exchange that was initially forked from a market leader, Uniswap. They added a variety of new features as well as released the Sushi token, a key offering that Uniswap did not have at the time. However, Sushi's adverse price action started soon after the DeFi protocol CEO Gerard Gary was charged with a number of improprieties in a Twitter thread. Lido Finance, a liquid staking decentralized application, has plunged nearly 12% on Thursday. It is considered to be the second biggest loser in the DeFi sector. Lido Finance offers liquid staking, which allows you to generate additional yield for staking your assets, commanding a market share of nearly 30%. There are no other staking services, DeFi or otherwise, that have attained double-digit market share according to Dune Analytics. Curve Finance, the like asset DeFi exchange, has dropped over 9% and is now trading at $0.75. Curve Finance is a decentralized exchange running on Ethereum. It's specifically designed for swapping between stablecoins. Early this year, the token played a central role in what were the Curve Wars, during which speculators and protocols alike scrambled to scoop up much CRV as possible.
Thank you, Manoj. Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more such updates, please like, share and subscribe to 3.0 TV.